Hi, my name is Dr. Russ Morrow, and I'm the CEO over at Simply Implants Institute. Have you ever wanted to upgrade your smile and get the smile that you've always wanted to have, or maybe the smile you had when you were younger? We have the ability now to be able to give you that smile, not just a healthy smile, but one that you feel confident, one that you can chew and eat things that you want. At Simply Implants Institute, we've assembled a team of experts to be able to help you get that smile that you've always wanted, or have your smile returned to you. We have advanced 3D printing technology along with digital x-rays that are top of the line. Because we do more cases like yours every day here at Simply Implants Institute, we can handle the most advanced techniques. Have you ever been told you can't get that smile back? Come in for a consultation today, and I bet you we probably can. Because we're a teaching facility, you have the ability to have not only the smile, but the surgical components that are really important. And the benefit for you is that we actually do free implants for everyone that comes through, and extractions and bone grafts if you qualify for some of our studies. Because we are a teaching institute, we can provide this service which will save you thousands of dollars above and beyond what you may have already been quoted in the past by other dentists. Come in today at simplyimplantinstitute.com or call us and let us take a look at your smile. That way we can give you the smile that you want, need, deserve, and desire.